Hey, welcome to the channel. Here in the video, we will share the details for the Dream Cricket 2025 error code 68. The error reads, "Something went wrong. Failed to connect to our servers. Please try again after some time." Before we proceed, we want to let you know that we used AI for the voiceover and some graphics. However, all the information shared has been manually researched and is not AI generated. The error comes when users try to play the game but are unable to connect to the servers. According to our research, the error is likely caused by a connection issue or a problem from the game server's side. To deal with the error, the first thing we suggest is to close the game completely and then restart your device. Once your device restarts, relaunch the game and check for the error again. If the error still comes, check if you need to update the game. Simply go to your device's App Store and check for any pending updates for the game. If an update is available, install it and check if this helps with the error. If the error persists, try disconnecting your device from the internet and then reconnecting again. Once reconnected, open the game and see if the error still comes. If you still get the error, try cleaning the cache data and try again. To do this, go to your device settings, open the Apps section, select Dream Cricket 2025, and choose the option to clear cache. Once done, check for the error. At last, if the error still persists, possibly the issue is coming from the servers. In that case, we suggest you wait for some time and try again. That's all for the video. If this video helped, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Have any questions or issues? Drop them in the comments below. Thank you.